Dovetail was founded in 2012 by a practicing periodontist who found that existing dental practice management softwares were not only clunky and outdated, but were also incompatible with managing a lean and successful practice. Dovetail is the only truly mobile, cloud-based dental software, meaning it's accessible from any device, anywhere, at any time. Dovetail's smart digital workflows will automate your clinic's paperwork, reduce administrative work, maximize billable hours, and increase visibility into your clinic's key performance indicators. Our mission is to help you and your team enjoy your work and focus more on your patient's experience. You can log into Dovetail using an internet browser like Google Chrome or Safari on any computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once you log in, you can access your dashboard to get a quick overview of your day. Here you can view things like outstanding homework tasks and the check-in status of your patients, so you always stay on top of what's next. Next, let's walk through a patient appointment to see how Dovetail can streamline your workflows. Click on the calendar icon to access your schedule. Let's follow Olivia, who's in for an extraction today. She's already filled out her medical history form using our online patient portal, which will save your front desk staff time and reduce errors. From here, you can also customize the medical history form to make sure you're collecting the information that's most important to your clinic. Just drag and drop in the new fields that you would like, give them a title, and then hit Done. Next, let's complete a chart for Olivia. Simply tap to select an existing condition from the left, and then tap to apply it to the appropriate teeth. Here, you can indicate things like missing teeth, mixed dentition, and decay. You can also chart periodontal conditions like pocket depths and recession, or add custom symbols and notes, all on the same chart. Continuing along our main menu, let's take some x-rays for Olivia. Using cloud capture, Dovetail communicates directly with X-ray sensors and intraoral cameras to capture and store images in the cloud. With other dental softwares that require an imaging bridge, your images are only accessible on the computer in your clinic. However, with Dovetail, our bridgeless imaging ensures you have access to your images when you need them, anywhere, anytime, on any device. We can build our treatment plan the same way we completed our chart, by selecting a procedure from the left, and then selecting the appropriate teeth. Let's plan an implant and a crown for Olivia. When we're finished, we can view our treatment plan summary, which shows the procedures we planned, the associated teeth, and the default time and fees. From here, we can easily group procedures into appointments, run predeterminations, or select a fee guide. We can also send the appointment to the calendar, so the front desk staff can simply drag and drop the appointment into the schedule. After completing the procedures, you can also write a customized templated progress note, and finally invoice the procedures. Now let's access Olivia's account statement. You can easily track outstanding balances from both patients and insurance, and quickly take payments using one of our integrated payment processors. You can also create automatic payment plans for patients and collect payments through our online patient portal, ensuring that you receive payments toward your outstanding balances without any added work for your staff. Finally, let's create a follow-up or recall appointment for Olivia to make sure that she doesn't fall through the cracks. Let's set it up so Dovetail will automatically remind her of her future appointments, which is one less thing for your administrative staff to handle. Just set the procedure and frequency, and let Dovetail calculate the rest. Our File History tab on the right is accessible from anywhere within the patient's file. This shows a complete chronological history of everything that has been done in the patient's file, kind of like flipping through a paper chart, but with added features. From here, you can filter out the information you want to see, and add quick notes, images, or documents. Next, let's look at Dovetail Connect, which is a secure communication platform for professionals. You can invite a colleague or staff member, then share exams, x-rays, or progress notes over a HIPAA-compliant network, or just use it as a convenient messaging tool for your staff. Connect contains all the messages you receive from your colleagues in one convenient and secure place. Lastly, let's look at Dovetail's custom reporting feature. Here, you can use our pre-made reports to track things like accounts receivable or payments, or create a completely custom report to track what is most important for your business. Once created, your reports will be saved as templates to use over and over, and you can always edit your reports to include more or less information depending on your clinic. Thanks for taking the time to watch this short introduction to Dovetail Dental Practice Management software. If you'd like to see more of the features Dovetail has to offer and find out what it could do for your practice, you can schedule a free, personalized demo online at dovetail.co.